Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on adding roles in backlinks using BoldSign. In BoldSign, you can add new roles when generating a backlink. This feature is particularly advantageous in scenarios where a single document necessitates input or actions from multiple individuals, each assigned specific responsibilities. The additional roles and their settings can be added only when creating a backlink and cannot be edited or deleted after a backlink is created. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager is tasked with creating a document for policy acknowledgement using the backlink feature. The objective is to ensure that employees acknowledge recent company's policy changes. Additionally, the HR manager requires department heads to review and confirm policy amendments. To achieve this, the HR manager includes an additional role for the department heads in the backlink for their review of policies. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I click the Create New button. Then I choose Create New Backlink, which navigates to the Prepare Backlink page. Here I enter the title of the backlink in the title field. Next I enter the welcome and acknowledgement messages to be displayed to the signers of the backlink document. I then upload the policy's acknowledgement form by clicking the Browse button in the Add Files section. I scroll down to the Initiator Role section. Here I need to assign the initiator role. The default initiator role is Signer. In this case, the employees are the initiators, so I enter Employee. The initiator role cannot be changed after the backlink is created. To add a layer of security to the document signing process, I'll leave the email verification required option activated. This confirms that the signer has access to the registered email by sending an auto-generated verification code to the recipient's email ID. This security setting can be disabled after the backlink is created, if necessary. Next, I need to add a new role for the department heads to review and acknowledge the updated policies and their team members' comprehension of the updated policies. To do this, I click the Add Recipient Role button to add another role. I enter department head as the role. Since the department heads need to review the policies, I change the role of the department head to reviewer. If you have the details of the reviewer, you can add their name and email in the default recipient name and default recipient email fields, respectively. In this case, each employee has a different department head, so I am going to leave the default name and email address fields unfilled. This allows employees to enter their respective department heads' details. Next, I need to enter a personalized message for the department heads. To do this, I click the Setting drop-down menu and activate the Private Message option. This allows me to enter a personalized message that is meant exclusively for the department heads. To grant employees the ability to enter the details of their respective department heads during the signing, I keep the Allow Initiator to edit this role option checked. This setting provides the initiator with the flexibility to make necessary changes related to the department head during the process. I can also set the authentication method for the additional role by enabling the authentication option and selecting the required authentication method. I am not going to enable any authentication for the reviewer's role. This role and its settings cannot be changed or deleted after the backlink is created. Once done, I check the remaining sections and click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure field page, where I'll set up the form fields. I drag and drop the name and signature fields to enter the name and signature of the employee. I check my changes once and then proceed to click the Create Backlink button. A backlink is successfully created. I can copy the backlink URL and share it with all the employees. Next, let me show you how an employee signs a backlink document. I paste the copied backlink URL here. A dialog box appears, requesting identification details. I enter the employee's details and the department head's details in their respective fields. The employee cannot proceed to sign the backlink document without providing the required department head's details. An error notification is displayed if an invalid email is provided or if one of the fields is left empty, upon clicking the Submit button. Once everything is correct, I click the Submit button. This takes me to the verification page, where I enter the verification code. I then click Submit to access the signing page. The name field is automatically populated. I add the signature and complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. After the employee has signed the document, the department head automatically receives a review request email. The department head can then proceed to approve and complete the signing process by clicking the Review and Approve button in the review request email. That summarizes how an additional role in bulk links works in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.